Hello and thank you so much for clicking on the video. Today we're going to take you to some family-friendly Halloween things to do in Las Vegas. Come on along. Our first stop is Halloweentime Pumpkin Patch, and there are several different locations. This one happens to be in Summerlin on the corner of Rampart and Alta. They have a pumpkin patch. They have some vintage carnival rides that they've refurbished. They have a great selection of food and drink. Really good family-friendly activity. These clips are from last year when we visited the pumpkin patch, so we'll link that video down below if you want to see the whole thing. Our son really enjoyed the carnival games there as well. There's kind of something there to do for everybody. It was a good time. Next, we are going directly across the street to Tivoli Village, where they have several Halloween experiences. This haunted house is called 31 Freak Street. We were here a little bit too early. The website says it's open from 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. and we'll link it down below. Next, we are headed to the Fear Factory Ultimate Haunt Experience, which is also at Tivoli Village. Inside of the Fear Factory, they have 4 separate experiences. They have a museum of monsters, over the top, dozens of photo opportunities. One called the Zombie Axe Kingdom, which is an axe throwing experience. They have a zombie escape room with a haunted maze and live actors. And then the 4th one is called Strive Esports, which is esports and gaming. It looked really cool. And you guessed it, we'll have them linked down below as well. Next, we are headed even farther northwest to Centennial Hills and the Seasonal Adventures attraction. This features a pumpkin patch, some inflatables, rides, games, a train you can ride on, and a petting zoo. This location is open daily and they do not charge an entrance fee, but some of the attractions are priced separately. Now we are headed over to the southwest corner of the valley to show you the other Seasonal Adventures pumpkin patch. This location is in the same parking lot as IKEA and right across from where they're building the new Durango Hotel and Casino. So it's right off the 215 and Durango. Our last stop is going to take us to downtown Summerlin and the Parade of Mischief. This parade is every Friday and Saturday night from October 1st to October 29th at 7 p.m. We want to thank you so much for watching. Hope you got some good ideas of things to do with your family in Las Vegas. But thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous Halloween.